The idea behind Finance Week is to really capitalize on the initial momentum we created last year, the awareness of combining financing with the investment in new products and services.
Financing the future of manufacturing has utmost importance for our customers. So digitalization, meanwhile, got an imperative for all different businesses. And for our customers, digitalization is a very important lever to increase competitiveness.
We have implemented a financing program together with SFS for our partners and also for our customers. So as you can imagine, there's a lot of money that needs to flow, that needs to be invested, and here we want to help them together with a good partner that we can offer a financing solution to make our customers happy.
Today we're here to talk about LNG to power, financing the fuel of the future.
As you know, LNG, the entire LNG chain is very capital intensive. Every aspect of the chain costs a lot of money. And so financing is something that's quite critical. Today, we have to think about financing at every aspect of the project development.
Infrastructure is the fabric of urban areas. It's beyond just bridges and airports. It's factories, it's office buildings, it's the way by which economies operate. When you start to put a technology solution, a digital solution on top of it, all of a sudden you're prepared to compete in the new age. Siemens has always been committed to supporting these types of infrastructure projects, whether the market accepted ones to the more complex ones. We have a deeper understanding because it's what we do as a company.
Siemens, ingenuity for life.